Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to enable the Task Manager icon in Google Chrome on your PC with the latest update. This handy feature allows you to monitor your browser's performance and manage running processes efficiently. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or from the taskbar. Once the browser is up and running, you're ready for the next step. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked one on top of the other. This is the menu icon. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Now scroll down and find Settings in that menu. Click on it to open the Settings page where you can customize various features of Chrome. Once you're in Settings, locate the Appearance section on the left sidebar. Click on it, and then look for an option that says Customize your toolbar. This is where you can manage what icons appear in your Chrome toolbar. In this section, you will find an option to enable Task Manager. Simply toggle it on. By doing this, you're adding a useful tool to your toolbar that allows you to view all active tabs and extensions along with their resource usage. Now that you've enabled Task Manager, you can easily access it anytime by clicking its icon in the toolbar. This will open a window displaying all running processes within Chrome, including memory usage and CPU consumption for each tab and extension. With these steps completed, you are now equipped to manage your browsing experience more effectively. If any tab is consuming too much memory or causing issues, you can easily end that process directly from the Task Manager. Thank you for following along. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!